So, people tend to do walking lunges with two dumbbells in the hand, which actuality, you're leaning as you doing your lunge. Your the weight's gonna give you momentum to walk forward. So you really ain't getting the full effect of your the build up of your quads when you're doing the walking lunges. So what I propose, try this. Get a single dumbbell, a single plate. You'll get a single plate and get like a 25. I'll say 10 to start out to get used to it because it's gonna hurt. So what you do is you're gonna place the dumbbell, the plate on the top of your chest. Let it sit and have your hands open so you barely grab it. You want to put as much weight in your on your body as possible. When you do that, do a slightly lean back. So check this out. Oh. Trust me, my quads are on fire. Check it out.